Next we are discussing the topic mutation. Mutation means sudden heritable changes occurs in the genotype of an organism. That is known as mutation. So these three words, okay, you don't forget this three words: sudden, heritable, and occurs in the genes. Okay, so mutations are the sudden changes that occurs in our genotype. The term mutations was coined by the scientist Hugo de Vries. The term mutation was coined by the Dutch botanist Hugo de Vries in 1901. Okay, so what is mutation? Mutation is the sudden heritable changes that occurs in the genotype of an organism. Okay, so through the mutation, both the genotype and the phenotype get affected. That means physical appearance and the genetical appearance get affected. We see in the case of PKU. What is PKU? Phenylketonuria. Okay, on the chromosome 12 get mutated. Which type of mutation occurs in chromosome 12? Point mutation. Okay, so in chromosome 12 point mutation occurs. The phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme didn't produce. So phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme is needed for the conversion of phenylalanine amino acids into tyrosine. So here occurs mutation, sudden heritable change. So the segment of chromosomes or DNA which undergoes mutations, that is known as mutant. M-U-T-O-N. Okay, clear it is. The piece of chromosome or DNA segment undergoes mutation are known as mutant, and the substances which causes mutation are known as mutagens. Clear it is. The substances which are responsible for mutation, that is known as mutagens. So these mutagens are two criteria. One is physical and another is chemical. Physical means X-ray, beta ray, gamma ray. That type of radiations are radiational mutagens. Then UV rays are non-ionizing radiation. Then ethyl methyl sulfonate, short form is EMS, ethyl methyl sulfonate, nitrous acid, methyl methane sulfonate. So EMS and MMS. What is EMS? Ethyl methyl sulfonate. MMS stand for methyl methane sulfonate. Okay, so these are example for the chemical mutagens. Okay, so ionizing and non-ionizing radiations are example for the physical mutagens. So the substances which are responsible for mutation are said to be mutagens. Mutagens are generally physical and chemical agents. X-ray, beta ray, gamma ray, that are radiational mutagens. And UV rays are, ultraviolet rays are non-ionizing radiation. Okay, ethyl methyl sulfonate, EMS. Sometimes in question paper we will see EMS. Okay, nitrous acid, methyl methane sulfonate, MMS. Okay, that is an example for the chemical mutagens. Ionizing and non-ionizing radiations are also physical mutagens. Next, discussing the types of mutation. Okay, we can classify these mutations into mainly two. That is point mutation and frame shift mutation. One is point mutation and the another one is frame shift mutation. Okay, so what is point mutation? The changes occurs in a particular point. Okay, the changes occurs in a particular point, that is known as point mutation. Okay, when the changes occurs and the frame of the sentence is changing, that is known as frame shift mutation. The point mutation again classified into two types, that is transition and the next one is transversion. Clear? So mutations are classified into two types, point mutation and frame shift mutation. And this point mutation again classified into transition and transversion. Okay, We know that DNA are made up of nitrogenous bases. Okay, what are the nitrogenous bases? Nitrogenous bases are included in two groups. Either they are in purines or they are in pyrimidines. Clear it is. So purines means adenine and guanine are purines, and pyrimidines means what is T stand for? Thymine, uracil and cytosine. Okay, so we know that adenine always bind with the thymine, then guanine always bind with the cytosine. Okay, in RNA there is no thymine, so this adenine bind with the uracil. So in transition mutation means mutations occurs in the chromosome. So in chromosome or in DNA segments, the messages are written in the form of nitrogen bases. Messages are written in the form of nitrogen bases. Suppose ATCG. This is a message. Okay, so what will happen in here? We are discussing transition mutation. In transition mutation, purine get be changed by another purine. That means A may be changed by G or G may be changed by A. Likewise, pyrimidines may be changed by another pyrimidines. T changed by C or U, or C changed by T or U, like that. Okay, so transition means purine may be changed by another purine or pyrimidine get changed by another pyrimidine. Clear it is. But in case of transverse, what happened? Purine get changed by pyrimidine, or pyrimidine get changed by purine. That is transition. Purine get changed by pyrimidine or pyrimidine get changed by transition. So what happening? The message, okay, the message will be interrupted. So it will not be produce a correct protein. So that is mutation. So we discussed type of mutation. One, what is point mutation? That are two types, transition and transversion. Okay, next we are discussing frame shift mutation. Frame shift mutation means, suppose a sentence having a word red flower. Okay, so it indicates the color of a flower. Okay, in frame shift mutation, that occurs in two ways. Either by insertion means what? Addition. Okay, so here I am adding a letter A. So what is this? Read flower. Okay, so it is not same to the content what we are analyzing. Okay, that is insertion mutation. Here we add a nitrogenous base. So what is deletion? Deletion means it is a red flower. Okay, red flower. So here am I erasing this E letter. Okay, so it also be we are not getting a correct concept about that flower. That is deletion. So mutations are two type: point mutation and frame shift mutation. Point mutations are classified into two type: transition mutation and transverse mutation. And in frame shift mutation, again it classified into two type: insertion and deletion. In insertion, what happens in insertion? A new material, new nitrogenous base is getting added, so it changes the frame. Okay, so we didn't get the idea or picture. Then deletion means from the framework a word is deleting, so it also be results in a negative image. That means the protein will not be formed. So these are the types of mutations. So the mutations are two types: point mutation and frame shift mutation. Point mutations means as occurs in particular point the nitrogenous bases, that means single new base pair getting changes. Okay, so this is two type: transition mutation and transverse mutation. Transition means the purine get be changed by another purine, or pyrimidine get be changed by another pyrimidine. In transverse mutation, purine get be changed by another pyrimidine, or pyrimidine get be changed by another purine. The next is frame shift mutation, or there occur insertion or deletion. Insertion means addition of a nitrogenous base pair, and deletion means it's removing one nitrogenous base pair. Clear it is. So we discussed PKU is an example for point mutation, and one more example for point mutation is sickle cell anemia. So we discussing sickle cell anemia in our next classes. If you just hear the just understand the name sickle cell anemia, it's also an example for the mutations. Okay, and we know that mutations lead to different types of tumors or cancers. Okay. So mutation is very, very important. Mutation means sudden heritable changes in the genotype of an organism. The term mutations was coined by Hugo de Vries in 1901. Both the phenotype and genotype getting affected. Okay, so and the substances causes mutations that are known as mutagens. In the segment of DNA which undergoes mutations are known as mutant. Clear?